How to access the web browsers hidden on your PS5. The PS5 has a functional web browser, but it's not easy to find. Here's how to browse the web on your PlayStation 5. After exploring your PS5, you might be surprised to find that the console does not have a web browser built in. This seems like a downgrade as the PlayStation 5 phone include a web browser from the start. As it is turned out, there is a hidden web browser at the PS5 you can access through a convoluted method. Well, sure you know to browse the web on your PS5 if you really need to. How to access the PS5 web browser? To use the web browser on the PS5, first head to setting page from the main menu. Here select the user and account section followed by linked services. At the time of writing the app formerly known as the Twitter is no code. X the PS5 still uses the Twitter name and logo. Thus choose Twitter link account to open a login page for the services. If you connected your Twix account to your PS5 in the past, you will need to unlock it first to use this method. Do not actually log in here. Instead, the use is left stick to hover the cursor over the Twitter bread logo at the top of the page, then click it with the X button. When you do this, you will be faced with a login page like you would in any desktop browser. Since you cannot search X without an account anymore, we will need to add an alternative method to access to web at large. The trick lies in selecting sign in with Google. Click this to open Google login page. Here select term at the bottom of the login page. This will lead to a long page with all of the Google term and condition. Use of the right stick to scroll down of the every button, and you will see a link to Google at the bottom left. Click this. Selecting this link will bring you to a stripped down the version of the familiar Google home page. From here, you have free reign to search for whether you like and browser and web using your PS5. Because there are no browser address here bar, you will need to search Google and click link to go anywhere. It clunkily but functional. Is the PS5 web browsers worth using? As you might expect, given how Sony hid the browser away, the PS5 web browser is not anything fantastic. Basic site that only have a text and images load fine. But I think that the request multimedia is not really reliable. You can probably pull up the video site that it does not have a dedicated PS5 app to enjoy watching its content, but do not expect to use complicated web apps or play games using the software. Keyboard is plain unless you connect a physical keyboard to your PS5. Plus, using the Google login work around every time is inefficient and prevent you from linking your X account with your PSN account.